In this video, I want to explain what a replacement iPhone is. So, whenever you take your phone to Apple and you get it replaced, so for example, if the back glass is cracked and they charge you $100 to replace it under AppleCare Plus, they will give you a refurbished phone. They won't tell you it's refurbished. Everything online from Apple themselves just say it's a replacement model, but they are refurbished. You can check this by going into Settings, General, About, and then if your model number starts with an N, it's a replacement model, which is probably a refurbished model. If it starts with an M, that means it is a new model. Most of the time, the M models are better, but if it is an M replacement model, for whatever reason, I've had more issues with those. My current iPhone 13 Pro is a silver 512GB M model number, and for whatever reason, every couple of hours it has issues, like where the volume won't change, or something like that. Meanwhile, this iPhone 12 mini is an N model number, and it seems to be just fine. I have also heard that these refurbished iPhones have weird-looking speaker grills, and I can kind of agree with that. Look at this 12 mini. The speaker grills don't look exactly normal. They kind of look about rounded, and that's not normal for an iPhone. Comparing this to my 13 Pro, it looks much different. Those reasons are enough of a reason to not like the refurbished models, but also, I have had a lot of issues where replacement models have had software issues, and I don't know why. I guess Apple just likes to mess around with people, so they get new phones or something, or they go throwing their old phones in the garbage. I really don't know. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helped you. Goodbye.